Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside. Yay. We're going to be doing this little video outside because we love nature. It's almost Earth Day. Is it? I think it's almost Earth Day. Earth Day is every day, everybody. Anyways, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something really fun. We are going to be customizing my private jet. Yep, I'm getting a private jet, everyone. I can definitely afford it in this recession. No, I'm just kidding. We're not really going to buy one, but we are going to customize one. I saw this video on Instagram that was super funny, and pretty much I saw that website. On that video, I will be linking the website and his Instagram in the description below. Right after you like this video, you can look at that down there. So basically, yeah, we're gonna be doing that. I got my phone here. Let me start screen recording before I forget and then have to do this whole thing over. Or in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay. Okay, so we have a couple options to pick from. We have the 7,500, the 6,500. We have the 5,500. Let's see, the 650, the 3,500, the 350, and that's it. So, which one do I want? So I want to do the one with the least emissions, so probably the 350. It holds less amount of people, so I think I'm going to go with that. Alright, we have the executive and the Globetrotter. And honestly, I don't like the couch very much. I think I can do without the couch. It fits one more person, but I think I'm going to go with the executive. So we have contemporary and timeless. I'm really feeling contemporary. Alright, so this is just looking around. All the colors here. This is like the back side of it. No, I like the lighter seats. The floor, I think I want to change the floor. I like that one. Let's see. The back. Let's lighten up the back a little bit. Yep, I think I'm gonna go with that one. That one I like. Alright, let's see. What else do I want to change? I'm good with the inside. Let's see the outside. What they got for the outside? That's what our plane is looking like right now. Yellow stripe. Let's see. Okay, so these are all the colors. What am I feeling? Honestly, I really like the yellow color, so I might stay with the yellow. Gotta be seen in space. Just kidding, you're not gonna see it in space with yellow, but it is nice. I do like that. What else do they have? Alright, they got the stripe. Different types of stripes. Very cute. I like that one. I think I'm gonna stick with that one. And this right here is the finished product. Oh wait, actually, they got the landscapes over here. Let's see. I've always wanted to go to Hong Kong, so let's pick Hong Kong. Oh yeah, We are ready. We're in Hong Kong. We have a good plane. I love it. We are ready to fly, everybody.